Middle splits assisted walkout. The middle splits assisted walkout is a dynamic hip abductor stretch that can be used on the journey towards a full middle splits. To perform the middle splits assisted walkout, you will need an elevated surface, a gymnastics parallette, a stool, a bench, a reebok step, or whatever you have available. Try to find an elevated surface that allows you to move into a deep middle splits position with the arms straight. As mobility improves, you can lower the elevated surface or even place the hands on the floor as long as the form is correct. The position is important here, as the feet must be in line with the hands. As you move into the middle splits, imagine there is a straight line from one foot to the other that must pass through the hands. The movement starts from a standing position with the feet together. Starting with the heels first, walk the feet out into your horse stance width. Then move the elevated surface into position so the hands will be in line with the feet. Sit down into a horse stance with an anterior pelvic tilt, APT, the chest up, and the thighs parallel to the floor. This setup is similar to a sumo deadlift. From here, slowly walk or slide the feet out to the sides as you straighten the legs and move into a nice deep middle splits. Try to turn the feet out at a 45-degree angle. You will need to take a video from the side so you can check your back position. You must make sure the hands are in line with the feet and the pelvis has an anterior pelvic tilt, so there is a slight arch in the lower back. At a minimum, the back must be flat. If the back is rounded, you've gone too deep into the middle splits and you've lost your shape. Hold the middle splits for the prescribed time and then use the elevated surface to help you move the feet back to the horse stance position. Reset the position with the chest up, the thighs parallel to the floor, the arms straight, and the pelvis set in APT. Perform the specified number of repetitions with the passive hold times. On the final rep, we typically hold a longer passive stretch before safely exiting the middle splits.